Hi, my name is Sonika. I have a degree in teaching, and I'm also a homeschool mom who grew up in South Africa. I have more than 20 years' experience teaching reading, writing, mathematics, science, and social studies in South Africa and the USA combined, including teaching Afrikaans to second language speakers. My teaching expertise includes teaching diverse students and students with special educational needs. I love teaching my students about South African foods, music, and sports, fully immersing them in the South African culture. Lekker man means it's great, man, in Afrikaans. In my free time, I enjoy cooking, exercising, and spending time with my family, friends, and two dogs. I really look forward to the opportunity to teach you conversational Afrikaans, celebrating your unique learning needs and building confidence in this beautiful language. Baie dankie vir die geleentheid means thank you so much for the opportunity. Goodbye. Tot ziens.